Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Kenmore Elite refrigerator suddenly stops cooling and food inside no longer feels cold the way it should, it can become disturbing, especially when everything seemed fine just a short time ago. Sometimes the refrigerator runs but temperatures slowly rise, while other times drinks stay warm and groceries spoil faster than expected. A cooling problem like this can happen because of blocked airflow, dirty coils, temperature setting changes, or temporary system interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many refrigerator cooling issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy ways to help fix a Kenmore Elite refrigerator not cooling. Try these. Step 1. Check temperature settings inside the Kenmore Elite refrigerator if cooling suddenly changed. Step 2. Make sure vents inside the Kenmore Elite refrigerator stay clear of food items. Step 3. Listen for airflow or fan movement in the Kenmore Elite refrigerator during operation. Step 4. Clean dust near the back of the Kenmore Elite refrigerator if airflow feels restricted. Step 5. Restart the Kenmore Elite refrigerator briefly to refresh cooling operation. Step 6. Test temperatures inside the Kenmore Elite refrigerator and confirm cooling begins improving again.